Guys, this is the view of the Rizal Memorial Stadium here in Malate from the condo unit of my nephew Gio. And this Memorial Stadium is very historic because it was built in 1927 and inaugurated in 1934 in time for the 1934 Far Eastern Championship. It was designed by Filipino renowned architect Juan Arellano, the guy who also designed the Victoria City Hall building and the provincial capital of Negros Occidental and many others. And if you can see that field that we can see right now that has been in existence since 1934. This Memorial Stadium was heavily destroyed during the Battle of Manila in 1945 but was restored and inaugurated again in 1953. The second largest concert of the Beatles was held here in 1966 with about 80,000 audience in attendance. So this is a very historic sports stadium because it was also declared as a historical site by the NCCA. And see, this is the great Rizal Memorial Stadium here in Malate. Amazing, beautiful. This is also where the Philippine Sports Commission holds their office. That's their building right across the field. Bye. And there's the Manila Bay, and that's the former Harrison Plaza. There is a construction going on right now. I suppose it's going to be another mall. Beautiful. See, it's amazing that we can see the Rizal Memorial Stadium, officially known as Rizal Tracks and Football Field.